Hello everyone, this is DeAnn from Dazzy D's with a quick head wrap tutorial. I want to show you how I got this style, and this head wrap is one of our featured head wraps. It is called the Sunrise Head Wraps, and all our head wraps this week are 40% off. Stay tuned so you can find out. For me, I always need to start off with some type of bonnet or something on my hair that's going to protect it from drying out. Then I'm going to grab my Sunrise head wrap with these beautiful colors. I'm going to fold it so that there's enough width-wise to cover my head, but not too much. And I'm going to look at what is even and do a quick tie, so that tie can be over or under. It's really up to you. Leaving an opening at the top because you're going to place some fabric there. But I'm also going to push the head wrap off of my ears. You can leave it on your ear if you're comfortable with that. So take one in and you're going to tuck it into that opening. So spread it out, tuck it in. You're using it to cover your hair. And let's do a quick mirror check to make sure everything's covered. Next, you're going to take your other end and you're going to have a quick loop and then spread that excess in the top of the head wrap. Then you're going to open it out, spread it out some just to give it that texture, that height, and any excess fabric you're still tucking into that opening that's at the top. Another quick look, and so any excess fabric I'm going to tuck in, and I'm padding a little bit because now I'm creating the height and the shape that I want. And there you have it. Dazzy D's is a celebration of culture and style.